So you want to know how to start Forex trading. In this video, I'm going to share with you some advice and tips to get you started in Forex trading. When I started, I had no idea, made all the mistakes, and now with 10 years experience, I can only share with you my advice and tips. You'll even find out a nice simple strategy to get you started. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment below, and hit the notification bell to see more of my content. Okay, so you want to get started with Forex, okay? Now the difficult thing is, where do I start? There's so many YouTube videos telling me how I can make 10,000 to £1 million, etc., etc. But the real start should be with yourself. You want to do the training and understand your psychology first, because trading is a difficult game. It's all about psychology. It's all about the mindset, okay? So anyone can place a trade and anyone can follow a strategy, but can you follow a strategy and stick to the plan day after day after day? And believe me, when you see the pound signs or the dollar signs, you're more tempted to divert from that plan. And I would recommend, detaching your emotions from trading. You've just got to see it as, I place a trade, it's going to win or lose. And the probability is 50-60%. So you need to be thinking like that. And from the beginning, if you're on a demo account, it's hard to do that because it's not your real money. But first advice is just go and get the training out there, get to understand your psychology, and it'll put you on a better path to get started. Now, you've probably already got a demo account. If not, go and download one. I'm not going to recommend a broker, but there's loads online. Go and download a demo account, get started, just to get used to the platform, etc., and understand how to place trades, exit trades, set stop losses, take profit, lines, Fibonacci, etc. So yeah, just get used to the demo account first. Then you want a strategy to follow. Now, when you're starting off, you probably want to pick one currency pair and get to grips with that first before you start looking at others. So I recommend Euro USD. It's the most popular one. So get started with just one currency pair and just start using some simple strategies. You'll find loads online. I mean, for me, it would be a moving average crossover. You want to set your 50, 100, 200 MA crossover averages. And again, when you get a 50 crossing 100, sell. Again, so nice and simple. You can Google moving average crossovers, YouTube, but it's a really nice simple strategy for beginners to start with. And you might want to add in then another indicator such as RSI to give you a second complement. Again, now you're starting to place trades. You're probably wondering, where do I take my profit? Where do I set my stop loss? And again, you've just got to, once you understand that currency pair, you will just know. So I know, for example, the Euro USD, I could set a 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip profit around 3 o'clock, 4:30, and I know what it would pay off. So again, once you start to learn from your demo account and learn from using the platforms, you want to open a real account now. You want to put quite a substantial bit of money in there that you prepare to lose. You might want to put 100, 200, 300, 500 pound in just to get you started. Something that means something to you, but you can afford to lose it. Because if if you open an account with £10, £100, it's probably not been meaning anything to you. So start with a real account, and when you place the trades, really feel the emotions, because you're gonna have to detach yourself from the emotions. You're gonna have to almost be robotic and place trades that are heartless. You're not trying to predict the outcome or care where the outcome is. You know that when you consistently click buy or sell, that it will give you a hit rate of greater than 50%, let's just say, if you're doing a 2-to-1. So get to grips with your emotions and learn from using real money. And then you really want to be starting to journal everything. So you want to be journaling, obviously, all your trade entries, exits, what you were feeling, what you were thinking, and review that on a weekly basis, monthly basis to see, right, what can I improve on? What can I change? And this now then becomes part of your journey as a trader, because you'll go through the losing streak, the losing a bit streak, breaking even streak, making a little bit, and then starting to make some substantial gains. So every trader goes through that journey, but the only way you improve is by journaling every trade, and each day reflecting on how you've performed to that plan or adhere to your plan. And then the final bit of advice is just to commit long term. This is a long game, and I think once you understand that it's all about patience, and in like my previous video, 500 to £1 million, if you're realistic of just making 8% a month, which is achievable, it's going to take you 9 years to get to £1 million. But in 9 years, you're going to get to £1 million, and it's achievable. But the thing is, people want £1 million like now, tomorrow, next, in a month's time, and you've got to be realistic. It can happen, but there's a lot of risk involved. And I'd only advise to just literally, being patient. Every trade you might make 10p, £1, £2. Them gains build up, and as you start increasing your lot size, and you grow your account slowly and slowly, month after month, your account balance will grow and exponentially. So again, enjoy the journey. Remember, it's your life. Trade it. Forex trading, guys. Stay tuned. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Boom.